Good afternoon, folks. Today we'll see a review of this Puluz brand GoPro 3-way mount. So I got this in January 2018 and it's been around 8 months. I was using it once or twice a month. I have taken it underwater for snorkeling, and yeah, let's see how it looks after 8 months of usage. So the flaws I see are with these screws. So these are not brass insert or insert into the uh, so you could see here that this is broken. So if you, by any chance, if you tighten it a lot, tighten this first part a lot, so this will break away, cracks away. And also there are many cases where the nut insert inside this plastic piece is not strong enough, and it will start rotating in the place. It will not give you any more strength, so it will tighten up. So let's take a look at here. This is the place where you mount the GoPro. So this is also coming out easily, quite easy. And if I don't tighten this properly, I don't know if you could see. Okay, I'm trying to focus it over here. Okay, this is freewheeling. So even though I'm tightening this will not move because the grip between the plastic and the nut insert is not strong enough to tighten this up. So yeah, that goes in for every piece of screw in the 3-way. So one good thing is, even though these piece broke away, I can still use this as a shorty. I can mount my GoPro here, and there is one more insert here. So if you need an example, so here I have my old Puluz branded GoPro protective case, and also the same brand screw. Okay, let's see how well this would fit in. Okay, I'm trying to align these. So this is the place where you would mount your GoPro. I'm trying to mount it over here like this. Let's see. Okay, it's quite difficult to get the alignment correct. Okay, I got it. But if you see, the problem is this, since they didn't make it larger, this is limited. Either I can have an inclined angle of like this, since this hinge comes in way, it cannot tilt further. This I can have it like this, like vertical one, or like this, or okay, let's try to mount it the other way around. Let's see if it makes sense, because the finger grip is in this way, so I will expect to hold like this. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, this fits a lot better. So yeah, if you could see here, the screw is turning, so does the insert. This is the problem, it comes out. If I don't screw properly, it will start rotating freely. Okay, I got a good amount of grip. Okay, now I can go from anywhere from this angle to here. Okay, let's put in my GoPro and see. Okay, my GoPro Hero 5. Okay. Okay, could still. So this is not the original mount of GoPro. This is the same Puluz branded, and even this screw is not the original GoPro one. This is again the same Puluz. You could see. Okay. So this is still free. Even if I tighten this, since the grip is not so good, it will not be very stable. Now I can still use it. Good enough. Let's see the functionality. Okay, I always prefer to go with full HD 30 FPS so that I can play it easier. And also, I don't do any post processing of my videos. It's just shoot and upload to YouTube. Okay, let's power it off. So let's see the other items. It does come with a short tripod mount. Either you could use this, screw this back in, use it as a large tripod. You can make the shorty stand, or the other way around is pull it out. You have your own GoPro mount here again. So it's like a short GoPro mount. Remove the GoPro from here. So this is a very tight fit. You have to be careful. Wow. Okay, I think this is the first time I'm using it. So yeah, you could see that this has to widen a lot and this has to become shorter. So I would not recommend using this. This is how I broke my this is the original one. So you could see that the spacing is not right, and if I try to fit it in and it broke away. You could see this mount alone broken. So better not use it with the shorty or just the handle itself, so that you can be on the safe side of not breaking a good protective frame. Okay, that's all folks. So if you are planning to buy a 3-way, I would suggest, even though if the original GoPro version of 3-way would cost you around $70 or so, I would say it is still worth it given the quality. To say the rubberized finish of this is so sturdy. I could feel the grip. I can hold it comfortably for any long time. Yeah, that's all folks. Thank you for watching my video.